anybody else just make plans to go to the beach with your friends and then they all cancel on you last minute, so you end up just going alone? Because same. I am so thirsty. It's a really good thing I brought this drink. Oh no, I'm out. What am I gonna do? What's around here? Ooh, would you look at that? A cooler. I'm just gonna take a sneak peek and see what's in there. Let's see. I'll just take this. I know stealing's wrong, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It's so hot out here. This nap's got me feeling so dehydrated. Well, it's a good thing I packed a drink. I'll take that right now. Wait a second. Who took my drink? Where is it at? There it is. Who does this girl think she is? Just taking drinks out here. That's it. Mama ain't raised no bit. I'm gonna take back what's mine. Just gonna casually sit next to her. Oh, and she's gonna smile at me too. Okay, let's go.